Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for you. I have two of them. I did order all three, and I asked you guys on Instagram, did you want to see two different unboxings, because I am waiting for one more box. It is scheduled to be here tomorrow, so with any luck I will get that one tomorrow. So there will be two videos. So in this video I have the premium and the supreme box. So the premium one was $40 and has 4 items in it. These are literally sealed up. I have not touched them. And then we got this guy. So this is the Supreme, and this was $160. So I definitely spent a pretty little penny on these, but I'm so excited to dive in and see what we got. So my next video will be my deluxe mystery box unboxing. So I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. If you guys saw my summer Jeffree Star mystery unboxing, it's basically worked out to be the same way. I got the small one and a large one, and then the middle size was a little bit delayed. Also, I am late uploading this because I was out of town for a few days. So I actually got these. One arrived on Friday, one on Saturday, and then now I'm back home on Sunday filming. So yeah, anything that I get that I feel like I absolutely am just not going to use, or more than likely if I get something that is a duplicate, it will be going into this giveaway. So make sure to stick until the end. It is going to be one giveaway between the two videos. So I am going to be seeing, of course, what I get in the deluxe box as well when I get that, hopefully, fingers crossed, tomorrow. I hope that's not too confusing. Tonight we're going to unbox what I have so far, and I'm so excited. So let's get it. I've got my blade here, so we're going to open it up. So I was a little sad that I wasn't able to get these videos up right away for you guys. I feel like last time I was really lucky. I got my boxes super early, or at least 2 of them, and this time it took a little bit longer. So okay, let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Whoop, we got one in there. So I pulled out a little bundle, and then we've got one loose item. So let's see. First, we got the lip ammunition in the shade Glazed. This is in that lime green packaging from the Jawbreaker collection. I do have some of my stuff sitting out too, so I've got a bunch of my liquid lips. I wanted to be able to quickly turn around and make sure, hey, do I have that color? Do I not have that color? I don't have a lot of lip ammunition, so I know that I don't have this particular one. So this is the lime green packaging, of course. I think this is like the gold one. It's really pretty. Okay, so this one's like a light champagne gold with a little light pink kind of fleck to it. I don't know how well it will pick up on camera, but it's really pretty, and I feel like you could easily wear this over another color too to kind of transform it a little bit, but it's pretty cute. It's not so overly gold that, you know, it couldn't be like a more quote-unquote normal color. So that's our first item in our premium box. This is a pretty big item. Oh my god! I wasn't expecting to get this in the smallest box, but this is the mini breaker palette. So the great news is I already have this. You guys know, if you watched my video, I got the Jawbreaker collection. I got the big and the little palette, and of course I got the lips as well. So I will just quickly show you guys. Of course, you've probably seen what this palette looks like 100 times, but the great news is this is going into this giveaway. So be sure to stick around until the end. I'll let you know how you're going to have to enter, what you'll have to do, and of course you'll have to, you know, take part in the other video as well, but that will be coming, fingers crossed, tomorrow. But that's a really exciting item to get. I really wasn't expecting, I know it's a mini palette, but I really wasn't expecting it in this particular box, so I'm so excited. And really quick, here are a few swatches from my mini breaker palette that I have used before. Oh my god, so stunning. I just had to grab that and show you guys just a couple of swatches. I know you've probably seen it if you're a fan, but it's a really, really cute palette. So yay, I'm really excited that I have the opportunity to give that to one of you guys. All right, we got 2 more things. Ooh, okay, so this is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Soul Sucker. So these are exclusive to this particular box. Okay, so it came with the pink lid. I was wondering if it was gonna be like a black or orange or something, but it is pink. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. There's such a pretty sparkle to it. Oh my gosh. This has a crazy kind of it looks kind of like a chunky glitter in it that's a light golden orange. I hope that this will do this justice on camera. Oh my god. That's so pretty. Yes, it's dark and it's almost black, but it's I don't know, that's so different. It's not just a black liquid lipstick. So I'm actually really excited for that one too. Oh my god. And then we have the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade First Class. This is a true gold metallic. This would be so pretty as an eyeliner. Those actually complement each other really well. So there's First Class, the gold, next to Soul Sucker. So a quick pause before we get into our big box. In my premium box, I got the Mini Breaker palette. I got 2 velour liquid lipsticks, and then I also got a lip ammunition. So all this together for $40 is a really, really good deal. Yes, they are like some different kind of funky colors. So that's kind of the risk you run though. I mean, obviously you don't go into this mystery box thinking, I hope I get all nudes and pinks. I mean, obviously you're going to expect some, different colors in it, but I'm excited. So I'm going to be keeping these lips, but I'm putting this one into the giveaway. So I'm so excited for that, but I'm more excited for what is in this giant box right here. Here's my box. Also, I have not watched other unboxings. Like, I had lots of opportunity in the car on my little road trip, but I did not. I didn't watch any of them. So this is a surprise to me. After this, I probably won't be able to help myself and I'll have to see what other people got. But I'm so excited. Okay, let me put this away before I cut myself. Oh my God. Is this a whole tracksuit? Oh my God, I'm like stunned right now. Okay, I'm a little hot, so I'm not gonna be able to keep this on, but I wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. I mean, it's definitely like a bright, like in your face type of color, but this is so fun. Oh my God. I'm really glad I went up. I decided to go up a size because I was like, oh, I don't know, like I'd rather it be too loose than too small because I knew it had a clothing item, and this is it. I kind of was hoping I'd get like the zombie tee, but maybe that's not in the boxes at all. I might have to order that one too. So we've still got a bunch of items in here. The box said it would have 13 items, so I'm guessing this is 2 items that I just showed you. Is this a Mini Breaker palette too? It is. Oh my God. So I got 2 Mini Breaker palettes. So I guess we're just gonna have multiple winners. So I will be giving away 2 Mini Breaker palettes. I mean, I'm not complaining at all. Oh, we got an orange Jeffree Star straw, and this one actually has like a little cleaning pipe in it. I got a pink one before, but I don't remember it having the brush, unless I'm just remembering that incorrectly. But it's so cute. Okay, little straw, love that. We got the Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. Okay, this box feels like freaking Christmas. I don't know. I know it was expensive, but like, still. This is a super deep color. Now for me, I'm not gonna be able to use this as a true highlight, but I just wanna see. I'm just too curious. Woo! Wow, it's so like liquidy. When you first look at this, you're like, oh my God, it's gonna be so like, it's gonna be so sparkly and glittery, but then it still has that like wet look to it. I don't know how it kind of does both. So this is probably gonna be more so like an on the eyes type of thing for me, but I feel like it's not really a universal thing that I can just give to anyone. So, you know, I'll just make a do with it instead of putting it in there because, you know, if you're my color or even a little darker, you're probably not going to be able to wear that as a true highlight, but it is really, really gorgeous. So Caramel Kiss Supreme Frost. I got the Cucumber Mint Velour Lip Scrub. Here we go. I have a lot of Jeffree Star lip scrubs. I really, really love them, but I am not a fan of mint. Like I'm definitely the weird person. So rather than like ruin a lip scrub, I am just going to show you guys that. I'm gonna put it back in the box and then we're gonna put that with one of the Mini Breaker palettes as well. Yeah, it's just like not something that I want to ruin, and I have like a ton of lip scrubs. Let me show you. I love Jeffree Star lip scrubs, as you can see. So rather than like waste another one, when I got that one, I got pineapple juice from the Jawbreaker collection, and I'm really stoked with my little collection here. Also, being keto sucks because I was like scrubbing my lips one day and then I realized, oh my god, it's sugar, and I had to like get it off my lips before I like ingested any of it. You know. All right, we got a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Venus Flytrap. I believe that was also from the summer collection. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh no, Okay, no, so I do not have this shade. I am incorrect. This one's so pretty though. Okay, so this is definitely like a different color. Obviously, not many people are gonna wear green on their lips, but this will also be really, really gorgeous as an eyeliner. If you have this or wanna compare, I have No Offense from the Jawbreaker Summer Collection, so I will swatch it next to it. They are kind of similar, but the Venus Flytrap, which is the one I just got in the box, is a little bit more toned down. So if you wanted to do, you know, like a funky green liner, but you didn't want it to be so electric, like obviously it's a liquid lipstick, so I'm not going to get like as much use out of this as I do like Androgyny, which is one of my favorite colors, but really, really fun colors. And again, you can use them for multiple purposes. You can use them anywhere on the face, you can use them on the eyes. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. We got another like Halloween packaging one. So this one is called Zombie Kiss. Woo, this is like purple. So it looks like it's more of a metallic finish, but I will say this, like his formula is one of maybe like 2 or 3 metallic liquid lip formulas that I actually think wear nicely on the lips. Most of them are just like a hard pass, like they're just, no, too dry, they're crunchy, they accentuate all your lines, stuff like that. But this formula is actually really nice. So, okay, Zombie Kiss it is, that's really cute. I also got a lip ammunition in the shade Yummy. Also from that summer collection, you know, the lime green packaging. So this one looks like it's got a little bit of a like lavender purple. Actually shows up, not like 100% clear, but it's pretty transparent and you can see that like silver kind of shift to it. So again, I think these are really pretty to kind of pair with something else. Even just wearing this alone will give like a little sparkle to the lips and give you something a little bit different if you don't want to go full on color. But I love that you can really layer these and make your lipstick look a little bit different. All right, we got a velour lip liner in the shade Dirty Money. I'm getting like all the funky colors. I'm not complaining though. All right, so Dirty Money is more of a muted, like medium kind of green. I feel like with his liquid lip formula, I don't usually feel the need to line my lips. I feel like I can line my lips pretty well with the lipstick itself, but this will definitely be fun to play around with and see what kind of like look I can create with it. It's also a really good formula. I have, I think, one other shade and it definitely is really good, especially if you have trouble with your lipstick bleeding or if you want to just put on a little bit of liner and go for a gloss, something like that. They're really useful, but I'm definitely getting like some funky colors. All right, next we have a set. So this is the mini velour liquid lipstick. Oh, so this is like the pinks. This is really cute. I don't have a set and I don't have any of the minis. So it has Doll Parts Calabasas, Wifey Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. So funny little fact is Prom Night I have is the first one that I ever ordered. I think I ordered maybe Prom Night and Androgyny at the same time, and my Prom Night little like the doe foot was all like hairy and it was kind of weird. Like I think it might have been a little bit defective, but at the time I was like, I don't want to send it back, I want to keep it. I was so silly, but that was like when his brand was new that I ordered that. So it's really time for me to let that one go. It's pretty old, but now I have a little mini guy of this, and I love to, again, I can like, if I want a red liner one day, I can pick a red, something like that. But I love that I can try all the colors. I love Doll Parts. I already love Prom Night. I think I have Red Rum. I have not worn Anna Nicole though. So this is really fun. So they actually put in one of the little records that's so cute in the shape of a star. And I think this one, correct me if I'm wrong, is different. I feel like they've usually been pink. There might be a black one, but I don't think it usually has orange writing on it. Maybe I'm wrong about that. You can let me know in the comments. But I think this one might be like a special edition for the Halloween box. So that's really cool. We got a mirror, yay! So we got the orange star mirror. This one is so cool. Oh my god. These are like really nice size mirrors too. Like you definitely get a lot of room in this. I don't want to like blind you guys, but you know, it's only got a little bit of the trim and then you've got a really nice size mirror. So I'm really excited about that. You may see this in videos from time to time, of course. I also have one of the popsicle ones that I really love. I actually picked that one up. It's the like red, white, and blue one, but this is so freaking cute. Okay, I'm pretty excited. So I like this one because I wouldn't have necessarily like spent a bunch of money getting like a tracksuit and a mirror and a record and all that. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, I don't need all that kind of stuff, but it is really fun to get. So just to kind of recap, I got the pants, I got the jacket, we got the mirror, also got the record, which is super cool. Not something I usually probably would have picked up for myself again, like I said, but it's really fun. I got the liquid lip set. Also, the two things out of this box going into the giveaway, we have a lip scrub and a mini breaker palette. And then of course we got liquid lipstick and the lip ammunition. We got our lip liner, and then we also got the Supreme Frost. So how many? It said we were getting 13 items for 160. We did get 13 items in total in this box. The only complaint is that, like, yeah, I got like a bunch of like funky colors and stuff, but like I said, you go in with an open mind when you get one of these mystery boxes. Obviously, you know, you're not gonna get all like pinks and nudes. I'm super excited that I got new Jeffree Star stuff for myself, but I also have stuff to give away for you guys. So just to be clear, I have another box coming and I am going to do a separate video, but it will only be one giveaway. So I'm going to have at least 2 winners. If by chance I get a third mini breaker palette, then I will have 3 winners. But as of right now, what I have so far is the 1 lip scrub and 2 mini breaker palettes. So I'm going to see what else I get in that next box, but I will guarantee at least 2 winners out of this one. So if I don't put anything else from the other box in a giveaway, then one person will win these 2 and one person will win this. But there are 8 other items to get, and I have a pretty good feeling that I'll probably get something that I already own because I do have so much of this. So if you would like to enter that, you'll have to do just a couple of things. You will have to, of course, watch both videos, like both videos, and comment on both videos, and let me know what your favorite item was in this unboxing. And you can do the same on my next upcoming video. So make sure, if you want to absolutely be able to enter, hit that notification bell. That way you will get a notification, fingers crossed, when that next video pops up. But I will be uploading it the day after this video goes up, as long as I do receive that other box on time. And then of course you will have to be subscribed to my channel. That is a given. If you would like an extra entry to be able to win one of these mini breaker palettes and maybe some other goodies, you can go follow me on Instagram as well. I will put that right up here, and I'll have it linked below as well if you want to go check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think below. Even if you don't want to enter, I would love to know what your thoughts are on these boxes. I think it's a pretty good assortment, and I really did not expect to receive like a whole tracksuit. I wasn't expecting that, so that definitely had me a little bit shook. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for it, and I love getting like fun things that I wouldn't normally buy for myself. Even though yes, I spent a ton of money on these boxes, but it's so fun to get them and like not know what you're getting until you get the box home. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, if you did, leave me a big thumbs up either way, even if you're not interested in that giveaway. That way I will know to purchase these the next time around and do another unboxing video. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.